Egg on one's face. Understanding idioms in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, egg on one's face. Idioms are a key part of mastering English, as they add color and cultural context to our conversations. So, let's dive in and discover the meaning behind this quirky expression. Egg on one's face is an idiom that means to be embarrassed or to look foolish as a result of something you have done. It paints a vivid picture of someone with an actual egg smeared on their face, which would obviously be an embarrassing situation. This phrase is commonly used in both casual and formal English to describe moments of embarrassment or mistakes. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember them better. The phrase, egg on one's face, is believed to have originated from the world of theater. Actors who performed poorly were sometimes pelted with eggs by the audience, leaving them literally with egg on their faces. Over time, this imagery became a metaphor for embarrassment or failure. Let's look at some examples to see how this idiom is used in everyday language. 1. After making a mistake in his presentation, John had egg on his face. 2. She had egg on her face when she realized she'd been pronouncing the word wrong all along. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts to express the idea of embarrassment or a minor public failure. Use in appropriate contexts. This idiom is best used in situations where someone is embarrassed or has made a noticeable mistake. Don't take it literally. Remember, idioms often don't make sense when taken literally. They are figurative expressions. Practice with real-life scenarios. Try using this idiom when talking about movies, books, or personal anecdotes where someone ends up embarrassed. And that's a wrap on the idiom, egg on one's face. We hope this video has been informative and adds a fun, new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms are a great way to spice up your language and sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't worry if you make mistakes. After all, we all have egg on our face sometimes. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.